Hi everyone, so I wanted to show you my next new toy that I got for the dogs because Sammy threw up, and so I borrowed my sister-in-law's carpet cleaner, and then we ended up using it like 5 more times, so I just went out and bought one. So Bissell has become my new friend, so I wanted to show you this guy. And I don't know the model exactly, but this was $90 at Kohl's. So about $10 cheaper than I think you buy it normally. So how this works is you have this here that you put your cleaner in. Now it comes with a cleaner, a Bissell cleaner, but that did not, it basically left a yellow spot on the carpet, so I'm using my YoungLiving Thieves cleaner, which is fantastic for everything, and that cleans the carpet perfectly. And then down here, you've got this little guy. So the cleaner comes out, goes into the carpet, and it sucks it up into this. So this is actually the dirty water, and there's a spot, a little hole at the top. You open that up and you just pour it out. When you have this piece off, one thing you can also do is pick up this part so you can clean underneath where it pulls up the dirty water, and it actually pulls up a lot of hair too, which is kind of a bonus. But when you empty it, there's going to be a lot of hair in there as well. Okay, so then on the side are these little clips. Just clip it on. And then on the back, there's a button here to turn it on and off. And the cord wraps on this. And then there's a little foot pedal, so when you push that down, it reclines the arm. And the cord is, I don't know, maybe 20 feet, I would say. And so this thing has been fantastic. We've probably used it 10 times since we got it. Poor Sammy. So I'm working on changing his food to figure out why he's throwing up. We also, at the top is the button on the handle right here. So when you push that, that's what sprays the cleaner out. And you just move it back and forth across the spot, and works beautifully. So another fun Bissell toy. Highly recommend this if you have senior dogs or puppies. All right, guys, hope that was helpful.